Hi, this is Asutosh, and we are at Golaghat at our friend's place, Rid and Evie. Me and Trippie, we thought we should take a small break from our work, so we came here. That's the place we stayed yesterday. Amazing, very homely, very homely. And that's Evie. Evie is preparing chai, early morning chai. It's very important for us. Well, I asked Evie, like, do you know how to make proper chai? তুমি জানা নেকি একদম ভালকে চাহ বনাবলৈ? And she said, yes, of course. My mother-in-law taught me. And she also said, like, it's very important to start off the day. So, of course, আমাৰ কাৰণেতো বহুত important হয় ৰাতিপুৱাৰ চাহ কাপ. Trippie is playing with Liza. Rid and Evie, they own a lot of pets. Beautiful pets.
Like some sugar or even spice.
Yeah. That's Rid and Rid's sister, and with our beautiful Matilda. Look at her. So cute. So recently, Evie got a new camera with a couple of lenses, and she asked me to show her out. And I said, like, you don't need angles in your house. Like, you can just put your camera anywhere, and it'll be a good picture because so much of natural light that comes inside the house. It's well planned, well made, and very positive. Hanghatik positive your photo. Matilda pulling the legs. Gang. Well, it feels good, at times to stay outside the concrete jungle. So much of sound, so much of traffic here and there. And the best part about their place is, like, it's in the midst of a huge tea garden. So, cherry on top. Well, thank you so much, brother. And we'll definitely see you soon. Thank you so much for this amazing time. You guys are amazing. Like always. Take care, man.
Sure, bro. Bye-bye. Nas.
এতিয়া আমি কাজিৰঙাৰ ফালে যাম, মানে গৈ আছোঁ. So we are heading towards Kaziranga. And wow, that drone shot is good. So the sun is good. We were crossing this amazing tea garden, and Tripp had this idea to stop the car and give her a sequence. Cinematic sequence inside a tea garden.
কি করবি আর?
Did she just say Hodor from GOT? I'm pretty sure she said photo, but it sounded like Hodor. Anyway, so that's the sequence. That's Trippie running along the aisles of the tea garden. Wow. I really love the shots, actually. It's very cinematic, against the light. Iti koli duti pat, of course. Head to so what important. Oh my god. Oh wow. Good.
Two beds. So choose yours. Okay. The ghosty one.
Early in the morning, me and Costa, we had decided to go for bird sighting. Our bird sighting or karne, the best person is definitely Manoj da. Manoj Gogoi, the rescue artist, the conservationist. I actually feel very privileged walking alongside him, listening to his experiences and his stories. Good times.
Fieldoscope. Fieldoscope নেকি?
বাইনোকুলাৰ বুলি ভাবিলো টেলিস্কোপ
এইটো হেৰিটো চাবলৈ বৰ ধুনীয়া
মুনটো চাবলৈ
The binocular. Manoj was nice enough to invite us to his rescue center. It is a place you should definitely visit. Homely for human beings, homely for wild animals, homely for pets. It's a treasure. You should visit. Ajon Ukum. I'm really sorry for the pronunciation. It's a missing word and it translates to friend's house. So Ajon Ukum is a community-based tourism center in Kaziranga. From the sustainable building of the house to the practice of self-sufficiency, Ajon Ukum shows us a very different approach to living life among nature. So safari car ready here. So the friend, Gustav, Padban, Padmaja, Kakuda, and Trippie is here. Trippie binoculars loise. Kakuda is Kakuda amak loi daba.
ইয়াতে ব বুলি কৈছো তো লম ভালকে দেখাই নব
Kaziranga holds a very, very sacred place in my heart because this is a place where I was being felicitated for the first time for my first book, Snakes, the Uncrowned King of the Jungle. So Kaziranga বহুত বেলেগ ধৰণৰ হয় মোৰ কাৰণে আৰু Kakuda is an amazing friend. বহুত পুৰণা চিনাকি so তেখেতে আজি লৈ যাব and we are hoping for a big 5.
Every year Kaziranga Forest Department মানুহ ডেট হয় মই নহয় আসি নহয়
আমি যাব লাগিছিল নেকি কাকুটা ওলাই যাও
Oh my god.
কাকুটা
What's up to right side alone? Swamp deers. So water buffalo is 1, swamp deer is 2nd, rhinoceros of course 3rd, elephants 4th, and what is the 5th? What is the 5th? Wait for it. Listening to a sound. Nature's call. Nature's call. Listening to a sound. That sound. There are some deers here. Sunsetter সময় হৈ আছে সব ৰখি আছে and this is the first time I have witnessed a tiger in the wild and Kakuda says like she is the most beautiful tiger in Kaziranga. Really sorry for the footage because this is the first time I was so unsure Like I will see a tiger if I am not prepared with my lenses or my gadgets, because I thought like this is super casual. So that's the best footage I have apparently. Sometimes when you are least prepared, when you don't plan on capturing everything that you see, the nature decides to show what you must see. Wait for that.